Effective leadership shapes the success and culture of any organization. Understanding different leadership approaches can help leaders inspire teams, drive results, and foster positive work environments. Kurt Lewin, a pioneer in social psychology, identified 3 foundational leadership styles that remain relevant today.
The first style, autocratic leadership, is characterized by leaders making decisions independently with little input from team members. This approach can be effective for quick decision-making or in crisis situations, as it provides clear direction and structure. However, overuse of autocratic leadership can limit creativity, reduce team morale, and stifle collaboration.
The second style, democratic leadership, involves leaders actively seeking input and feedback from their team before making decisions. This participative approach encourages engagement, innovation, and a sense of ownership among team members. While democratic leadership can lead to better solutions and higher morale, it may slow down decision-making, especially in fast-paced environments.
The third style, laissez-faire leadership, allows team members significant autonomy, with leaders providing minimal direction. This approach can foster independence and innovation, particularly with highly skilled or motivated teams. However, without clear guidance, some teams may struggle with direction and accountability, potentially leading to decreased productivity.
Kurt Lewin's leadership styles, autocratic, democratic, and laissez-faire, offer valuable frameworks for understanding how leaders can guide their teams. By recognizing the strengths and limitations of each style, leaders can adapt their approach to fit the needs of their team and organizational goals, ultimately leading to better outcomes.